Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at GSE Systems Inc., ticker symbol GVP, a SEC shelf registration withdrawal and low float stock play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we're not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice, folks. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. And if you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We called out HCDI pre-market yesterday, December the 1st, and it went up 127%. And this past week, we also called NEXI in after hours and in pre-market the next day before it went up 403%. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. So let's get right into it with GSE Systems Inc., ticker symbol GVP, which is located in Columbia, Maryland. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ software application company with a $9.49 million market cap and 275 employees. GSE Systems is a company that helps power plants and industrial facilities by offering engineering services, staffing, and simulation software. They have two main parts of their business: engineering and workforce solutions. The engineering part does the technical work and provides simulation software for things like nuclear and fossil fuel power plants. The workforce solutions part helps with different stages of projects by providing the skilled workers for jobs in energy and engineering, such as the project managers, engineers, and trainers. The company was founded in 1971, and they sell their services through direct sales agents and partnerships. Now, let's take a look at GVP's most recent news. In a letter to the Securities and Exchange Commission dated December the 1st, 2023, the CEO of GSE Systems, Emmett Pepe, requested the withdrawal of a shelf registration statement filed with the SEC on November the 30th, 2023, because of a filing error. A registration statement is normally filed with the SEC before a public offering of shares is put out by a company. The request to the SEC for the withdrawal of the registration statement filing means that any dilution of the company's share value would not take place at this time. Another thing to note is that GVP's stock float is just $2 million shares, making this a low float stock. The price of GVP stock was pushed upward with this news from $3.31 a share to $3.64 at close yesterday. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward next week if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. On the recording of this video, Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023, the stock is now trading at $3.64. Now, the release of the news about GVP's request to withdraw its registration statement filing with the SEC yesterday and its low float had an impact on the stock's price action and may move the price action upward for GVP next week. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in that description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and we are just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, and how to use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, GSE Systems Inc., GVP, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the technology sector. GVP is a company that we will be watching. With the right continued increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will GVP run parabolic? It will need volume. But who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion. And I will have GVP on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.